Hi guys, this is a video of future rules. I'm going to show you what is in this. Oh, lag. So this is the server. Look at this hub. You can see info ranks here, mini games, survival, creative. This is looking good, but let's try to play the survivors in factions. See, this is my base. I went alone, but thanks to my best friend, he made this ravine base looking good, but a little, it's not decorated as well as you see. But you can see, ouch, shit, I take damage, but it's okay. Look here, this we have a PvP lighter here, but it's still not safe because those who are gonna raid us are can't do it, but it's okay. Oh damn, it's a creeper. Let's try to call it. Okay, never mind. Let's go to spawn. Oh look, this is the factions and this is spawn. You can see as this is the source, and you guys see this. Wait, I'm gonna say. Oh, this is our shops, but in these our shops you can't sell, but you can buy. So that is for today. The video here is for future realms. I'm gonna have a YouTuber run if I finish this. And see, this is the IP address for the future realms. See it for all. Bye guys.